In this video lecture, we are going to talk about the sentence and the parts of the sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which convey complete sense. Means it is a word or a group of words that expresses a thorough idea by giving a statement, asking a question, or exclaiming. For example, she is very beautiful. It is a statement. Is she very beautiful? It is a type of question. What a beautiful girl. It is a type of exclamatory sentence and it describes the exclaiming in a sentence. Parts of the sentence. Basically, every sentence has two parts. Subject. Subject is a part of the sentence that tells what or whom the sentence is about. Means it is any object, it may be a noun or a pronoun, and describes what or whom the sentence is about. Next is the predicate. Predicate is the part of a sentence or a clause that tells what the subject is doing or what the subject is. Means it describes what action is being performed by the subject. For example, kites fly. Kites is the subject and predicate is fly. They smiled. They is subject and smiled is predicate. Fire burns. Fire is the subject and burns is the predicate. Types of subject. There are basically three types of subject. First subject is simple subject. It's a part of the sentence which has only one subject, like ice melts. Ice is only subject in a sentence, so it is a kind of simple subject. He is playing cricket. Next type of subject is complete subject. It is a part of the sentence which has a subject with a modifier. Subject with a modifier is necessary to form a complete subject. Such as a black goat was in the dark room. Here, a goat is modified by an adjective black, so it is a kind of complete subject. A pretty girl is smiling. Here, a pretty girl is a complete subject. The next type of subject is compound subject. It is a part of the sentence which has two or more subjects joined with a conjunction. Like, football and basketball are my favorite sports. Here, football is one subject, basketball is another subject, and it is joined by a conjunction to form a compound subject. Same in the case John and his brother always play in the park. Here John and his brother is a compound subject. So what are the different types of predicate? The first one is the simple predicate. It's a part of the sentence which has only a verb. Ice melts. Melts is the only verb in a sentence, so it is a simple predicate. He plays cricket. Plays is the only verb here. Complete predicate. It is a part of the sentence which has a verb with a modifier. For example, the new tent is easy to assemble. Here, is easy to assemble is a predicate. The rain poured down from the sky. Poured here is the verb and down from the sky is the modifier. So pour down from the sky is a complete predicate. Next type of predicate is the compound predicate. It is a part of a sentence which has two or more verbs joined with a conjunction. The telegram was late but contained exciting news. Here the another part, last part, Was late but contained exciting news is a compound predicate. Tom and his brother live in Canada and speak English. Live in Canada and speak English is a compound predicate. Next are examples of subject and predicate. The moon shines. The moon is a subject here and shines is a predicate. Telling lie is a bad practice. Telling lie is a subject. Telling lie is a kind of gerund, so gerund can also be a subject. To work is a worship. To work is a type of infinitive, so it can also be a subject. Eva loves dogs and hates cats. Eva is a subject here. My elder brother is a scientist. My elder brother is a subject. Reading makes a perfect man. So reading in the sentence is a subject. The boy climbed a tree. The boy is a subject and climbed a tree is a predicate. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.